Hi, LearnDash users. Do you know, once you install our LearnDash Quiz Mixer plugin, you can create fresh quizzes out of your existing quiz categories. Yes, you heard correctly. Fresh quizzes out of quiz categories. Here is a quick demo. Go to WordPress admin dashboard and hover on LearnDash-LMS. Here, you will find Quiz Mixer submenu, listed under LearnDash-LMS. Click on it. Now, select Mix Type as Quiz Category in the Quiz Mixer page. Next, select your existing categories by clicking the plus button. And put the number of questions you desire to fetch randomly from the select category. Let us say, we want to fetch 5 questions from PHP category, 5 questions from CSS category, 5 questions for JS category. Now, we have to fill the fresh mix quiz title. If you want to put description for the created mixed quiz, fill the quiz content input box. If you want to put a category name on the freshly created mixed quiz, enable the toggle button for category. Now, here is the most interesting aspect of Quiz Mixer plugin. You can randomize questions order by enabling this toggle button. Then, put the number of questions in this box that you want to display out of total questions in the new mixed quiz. It is suggested for better randomization to put half of total quiz questions in new mixed quiz. So, put 10 if total questions in selected mixed quiz is 20. Click the Save button. That's it. Your mixed quiz from categories will be baked instantly. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to download this plugin, please check the video description for more details.